Hi guys, Greg from Complete Game Physical Therapy here, located in Lowell, Massachusetts. For today's tip, I wanted to talk a little bit about foam rolling. It's a question we often get in the clinic is, should I use foam rolling or, is foam rolling helpful? And it is something that we use quite a bit in the clinic. So today I just kind of wanted to go over what it is and what it does. So foam rolling basically is using a high density foam roller as a form of self-massage or self-myofascial release is sometimes what they call it. And all you're doing is rolling tight body parts, tight muscles over the foam roller to try to loosen up the tissue. And it's going to loosen up muscle tissue, and it's also going to loosen up what they call as fascia. Fascia is kind of a coating around the muscles. Until fairly recently, they really didn't think the fascia did too much, but the more research they've done into it, they've found that the fascia actually has a lot of nerve endings in it and a lot of contractile properties. So when we foam roll, it will loosen up some muscle, but also what it does is it primes the fascia. It gets the fascia ready for exercise or activity. So it's a great thing to do before you run or before you work out is foam roll. And what you'll do is you'll find those tight areas and you'll either roll back and forth over it or kind of hold the pressure against it until you feel the area release a little bit. Usually it's about 30 to 90 seconds holding over an area will loosen up that tissue. So you can really get a full body foam roll in anywhere from 5 to 10 minutes. And that's a pretty good amount of time to use, again, pre-exercise or pre-run to loosen up and get ready. Another question we get is, should it hurt when I foam roll? It shouldn't hurt, but sometimes it'll feel sore, but we kind of say good sore usually is how it should feel. And again, you should feel those tissues kind of releasing as you go. So that's kind of a background in foam rolling, why we use it and what it does. In the next few weeks, we'll be following up with some specifics on areas to foam roll and actually techniques on how to do it. So keep an eye out for those. Make sure to check us out on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, and we'll see you back for another tip next week. Thanks.